Hey everybody, it's been a while. Now that I'm back from vacation, we will start uploading plan of me's and videos again, so I'm very excited. If I sound weird at all, I just got braces. So I have rubber bands in, and yeah, so it's kind of like making me sound kind of strange, but whatever. So this is our last mystery kit. We had a Sakura theme. I think this was for January. And then we had our latest one go up, which was Hello April and a picnic mystery kit. And then our next one will be summer themed. So I'm really excited. I love doing these mystery kits, particularly because I really like designing a whole bunch of stuff for like one collection. I think it's a lot of fun. So we have obviously the kit, the Hobonichi kits, the weekly kits, and the journaling kits. And then we also have large deco and mini deco, and also washi strips that go along with the kit as well. So I try to include extras with the mystery kits, and you also get them at a discount when you purchase the bundle. I am putting in this washi that is a Sakura theme actually. I got this set, I don't even remember where, but I got it a really long time ago. And then I'm pairing it with the washi strips that came with the kit as well. I think they're super cute. I'm using my acrylic washi cutter to make the edges like diagonal. And then this one I kind of ripped out with my hands because I really like that journaling look. And then I'm getting large deco and sprinkling around and using a lot of stickers from the journaling kits. So yeah. So anyways, I just got back like a week ago, and oh my gosh, it's always hard coming back from being away from home and then assimilating back. Like, just it feels weird being in your neighborhood, it feels weird being in your house, but I'm all unpacked. I did like 10 loads of laundry when I first came back. So yeah, I also just organized all the new stickers that I bought. Oh, and also I'm gonna be filling out my planner as I go instead of like doing it all at the end. Isn't that mini deco so cute? Mini deco is seriously one of my favorite stickers. I have a huge stash of them, if you saw the clip a little bit earlier, because I love just like putting it anywhere. And this mini deco is so adorable. So yeah. Anyways, I saw actual cherry blossoms on my trip in Korea. I know that America has them in like DC area, but we don't have, even trees where I live. So I live in Las Vegas, and it's hard to even see any type of greenery where I live. So, when I went to Korea, it was cherry blossom season, and it was one of the most beautiful things that I have ever seen. If you guys ever travel to Asia, like Korea or Japan, and you want to see the cherry blossoms, like go around April. It's funny because it doesn't last very long. It's such a huge event in the year, you know what I mean? Where there's like festivals and everybody knows what cherry blossoms are, but the trees and the flowers themselves only last like 2 weeks at the most, and then they start falling. So when they start falling, it is so beautiful. I'm gonna have to try to find a clip. Maybe I'll put it in another video or something, but oh my gosh, like, and there's wind in the air, so when you look outside, I was living in a second floor apartment, and even up to there outside my window, it's just cherry blossom petals just like circling around. It's so beautiful, and I got so many pictures. Oh my gosh, anyways, it is very short-lived. So if you ever go, make sure to take a billion pictures because they will be gone very soon. My friends and I had plans to go to this Seoul forest area where they would have like cherry blossoms everywhere, but then it started raining pretty heavily for like 2 to 3 days, and then after there were no more cherry blossom trees. So sad, but there's always next year. I'm trying to write on this washi tape, so I ended up trying out like a whole bunch of different pens to make it show up. This washi tape is so beautiful. As you can see, it's so pretty. I love using washi tapes like just anywhere. We are going to do washi tapes again very soon. We kind of took a hiatus in doing like new designs. We have a lot of our older designs up if you guys want to look at them, but we are going to do new designs very soon. Then I'm using our Sakura foil that we listed before we left, and I'm putting it and sprinkling it all throughout the planner. I hope you guys like how this spread turned out. I think it turned out so cute. It's very like scrapbooky, which is kind of how I like my spreads to look sometimes. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I will be posting more videos in the future, so let me know what you want to see.